Today, this new Sukhoi owner is going to learn how to do an oil change. Come on along and see how it's done. As this picture shows, the Sukhoi's main oil tank is located high on the engine side of the aircraft firewall. The drain valve for the oil tank is located on its left side and is opened by a quarter turn valve. You're going to need to put an 18mm hose on it to drain the oil into your bucket. The Sukhoi oil cooler is located behind the firewall, and an additional panel must be removed to access it. The drain cock is opened using a 24mm wrench. Once the oil tank has been drained, you will move to the right side of the aircraft firewall to drain and open the firewall oil screen. First, put a 16mm hose on the drain cock, then turn it open with a wrench. Once the oil has been drained, the filter screen can be accessed by unscrewing the wing nut that holds the retaining strap in place. Here you can see the filter screen, halfway out and then on a piece of paper towel ready to be cleaned. Behind a small panel on the lower front cowling, you will find the engine sump oil screen and chip detector assembly. To drain the engine sump, remove the safety pin that locks the drain valve closed, connect a 14mm hose, and rotate the valve open. Disconnect the chip detector signal wire from the top of the assembly, then unscrew the 3 nut lock nut washer combinations from the studs at the front of the assembly. The assembly is pulled straight out to remove it. Clean the chip detector and filter screen and reinstall. Looking through the engine mount from the left side of the airplane, the crankcase oil pump filter screen is located on the rear of the engine behind a 36mm hex. Removal of this oil screen will require some dexterity to remove safety wire. You're going to need a 36mm socket, a 1/2 to 3/8 drive adapter, 3/8 inch universal joint, and a long extension for your ratchet to reach through the engine mount. Once all of the oil filter screens have been inspected, cleaned, and reinstalled, fill the oil tank with 16 quarts of oil. On your first start to leak check your work, the engine sump and oil cooler will be refilled, bringing the oil level in the main oil tank down. After the leak check engine run, the cowlings can be reinstalled and you can go fly. I hope that this presentation has been helpful.